Hello everyone, welcome back to BrainTech Analytics. So start with today's section. Open an MX Excel and the version which I am using is 2019 version. From where you get, go to File, then More and click on Account. As you can see, here it is showing I am using 2019 version. Similarly, you can also check in your PC that which version of MX Excel you are using. I will recommend you to go for MX Excel 2019 so that it will easy for you to practice. Now coming to the today's section, we discuss about some of the shortcuts. This is one workbook I am open and I want to open another workbook. To open another workbook. Okay. The shortcut for the open another workbook is Control N. Control plus N. Otherwise, what you can do, go to File, then create new, then click on the blank workbook. You can open a new workbook by going with a manually process, but this one is the shortcut which make our task so quicker or so easy. Next, coming to the next section, how to open an existing workbook. How to open existing workbook. It means the workbook which is already created and saved in our PC before, and we want to open that workbook or that MS Excel file. The shortcut for that is Control O. Control plus O. Otherwise, what you can do, you can either go to File, if you want to open it manually, then go to Open, then go to Browse, and you can find whatever the Excel file you want to open, you can open from the my file path. As of now we don't want to need, so we'll simply close. And next, coming to the next shortcut, how to save the data permanently. Okay, before discuss go for further process, here what we want to say, whatever the data we are writing here, this is now temporarily present in this workbook. To make it permanently, we need to save that data in our PC and save this workbook so that it will save permanently. The shortcut for this to save the data is Control S. Control plus S. What I do, I simply click in my keyboard Control plus S, this workbook is saved in my PC by just clicking Control S. As you can see, one box is open and here he is asking for to edit my book name and the file extension and which path I want to save this workbook. Suppose I want to change the name and want to give the file name is shortcut, and the file extension is XLSX, and the path where I want to save is in desktop version. Okay. Now by simply click on save, this workbook is now saved in my PC in the desktop folder, which is located in C folder. But one thing which I want to suggest that never go to save any file in the C folder. Always prefer to save the file in D folder, because the reason behind that is, suppose you want to suppose your C folder is sometimes erased or Okay, anything else happened to your C folder, then the data which what you are working on before that, everything will be erased. So it will be you will be facing a problem for that. So these things we are discuss about, and suppose we want to save. Here we discuss about save the data. Now next coming to the next section, how to save the data in different format. In save the most one of the most asked question in interviews that what is the difference between save and save as. Save means suppose here with some data is present and it's already saved in our PC. And what I do, suppose I enter some data 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what I do, the data which is previously saved in the name of shortcut in our PC, on that workbook, I put some extra data and want to resave it. So by just clicking on save, the data is saved. As I press save and if I close, then again open the set shortcut. Here you see the new data which I write, that data is showing in the news uh, in in the shortcut Excel sheet. Okay. But the save as what is to save it is used to make save the data in different file extension or different file format. Suppose by using save as, you can see go to file, then go to save as. Once I create save as, then go to browser. Okay. Now what he is asking for, here is the shortcut is file name and the save as type is showing Excel workbook. By just clicking on that, as you can see here, many file extension is showing. But either I can save as PDF or a CSV format or XML, okay, or Excel to 97 2003 version. XLS, as you can see, uh, one XML data or Excel 97 2003 version. Okay, edge according to your requirement, you can see. Suppose for that format, I am using CSV format. I want to this file name save as CSV. Now just click on save. Then check in my desktop. Another file is created. Another Excel file is created. One is shortcut and another one is shortcut. Go to property. Where is the property? Yes. Here you see the file type is showing XLSX and the size of the data is 8.61 KB. Simply go to the next Excel which we are saved in the different file format, and here you can see this one is saved in CSV format and the size is also changed. As it's saved in CSV format, it will take 205 bytes, and where it is in the XLSX, it is showing 8.61. Okay, the major difference you can see here. So thank you for watching this video. Next things we are going to discuss in our coming section.